Hi everyone, welcome back to Dragon Nail. Today I'm creating the cutest gingerbread Christmas press-on set, with every step so you can recreate it exactly at home. Let's get started. I already prepped the nails and applied the base colors earlier. So now I'm starting with the plaid design. Using a fine liner brush, I add soft pink diagonal stripes across the nails that will have the plaid pattern. Keep the strokes light and consistent, then cure them under the lamp. Next, I move on to the nails that will have the gingerbread cookie tips. I apply the warm gingerbread brown gel only on the tip area. While the gel is still wet, I sprinkle fine gold brown glitter over the brown to create that sugar-coated cookie look. Then I place the nails into the lamp to cure. While the brown tips are curing, I switch to the nails that will have white tips. I paint a clean white tip, keeping the smile line soft and rounded. Then I cure these nails under the lamp as well. Using a thicker sculpting gel, I create a 3D melting snowdrip along the top of the brown section. I let the gel naturally form smooth drip edges. Then I cure it in the lamp. Once the drip is cured, I add colorful rhinestones on top of the snow line to mimic festive sprinkles. After placing the stones, I cure to secure everything. For the 3D pieces, I use acrylic powder. I first press acrylic into a silicone mold to create the star and let it cure in the lamp until it hardens. While the star is curing, I hand sculpt the gingerbread man and the candy cane with acrylic powder. Once the star has fully set, I attach it onto the nail that features the candy cane. I paint the base colors of the gingerbread man, the candy cane, and the star. Then I use white gel to add all the icing details, outlines, and highlights to bring each character to life. To finish the set, I seal everything with a glossy clear top coat, avoiding the top of the 3D acrylic pieces so they stay crisp. After curing, I place all the finished nails neatly into the mailbox. And the set is complete. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which design you want to see next.